Our home, the Milky Way, is in trouble. It's on a slow but inevitable collision course with its massive neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This isn't just a galactic road trip. This is the greatest cosmic event our part of the universe will ever witness. But what does that mean for Earth? For you? For the future of life as we know it? Right now, Andromeda is just a blurry spot in the northern sky. You've probably never even noticed it. But it's racing toward us at over 110 kilometers per second. That's faster than any spaceship we've ever launched. And it's not going to stop. The force behind this movement is gravity, nature's unstoppable attraction. Over billions of years, gravity has been pulling these two galaxies closer, locking them in a deadly embrace. This might sound terrifying. Two massive galaxies crashing into each other, millions of stars, black holes, clouds of gas. Sounds like a recipe for universal disaster, right? But here's the twist. Almost nothing will physically collide. You see, galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars are light years apart. If the Milky Way were a dinner plate, the next star would be another plate across the country. So when these galaxies crash, it's not so much a car crash, it's a cosmic dance. Still, the dance is wild. The skies over Earth will change dramatically. In about 2 billion years, Andromeda will grow larger and brighter in our sky. It will dominate our nights and eventually even be visible during the day. The view will be breathtaking. Two spiral galaxies twisting into one another like some slow-motion explosion. As the merger begins, our solar system will be flung into a new orbit. It might be pulled closer to the center of the new galaxy, or hurled far into its outer edges. There's even a chance we could be ejected into intergalactic space altogether. But that's not the only danger. The supermassive black holes at the center of both galaxies, each with millions of times the mass of the Sun, will also spiral toward one another. Eventually, they will collide. The energy released in that moment will be unimaginable, more powerful than all the stars in both galaxies combined. The gravitational waves from that event will ripple across the universe, and if any alien civilizations exist nearby, they'll feel it. Let's pause for a second and ask, where will we be? Will humanity still exist? Will we have spread to other star systems, other galaxies? Will we be watching the merger from afar, in safety? Or will Earth already be gone, burned to a crisp when our sun becomes a red giant in about 5 billion years? The truth is, we don't know. But what we do know is that this collision marks a profound moment in cosmic time. It's not destruction, it's transformation. Galactic collisions like this are not rare. In fact, they're part of how galaxies grow and evolve. This has happened countless times before in the history of the universe. And each time, something new is born. When Milky Way and Andromeda finally merge, they will form a new, massive elliptical galaxy. Astronomers already have a name for it, Milkdromeda, or if you prefer something a bit tastier, Milkomeda. Inside Milkdromeda, new stars will form from the collision of gas clouds. Entire planetary systems will be born. It's possible that the seeds for new life, maybe even new civilizations, will emerge in the aftermath. But there's another possibility, something darker. As galaxies age, they lose the ability to form new stars. Their gas runs out. The stars grow old. The galaxy grows cold and quiet. Milkdromeda might eventually become a cosmic graveyard, a vast, beautiful swirl of dead stars and black holes. And further into the future, trillions of years from now, the universe itself may face a final ending. Expansion will pull everything apart. Galaxies will drift away. Stars will die. Black holes will evaporate. The universe may end not with a bang, but with a whisper, a cold, dark silence. But for now, here we are, alive, conscious, looking up. We are part of the Milky Way. Our atoms were forged in the hearts of ancient stars. And we, tiny creatures on a small blue planet, are among the first to realize what's coming. The galaxy is changing. The sky is changing. The universe is changing. But we get to witness it. We get to imagine it. We get to wonder, and maybe we get to survive it. Maybe 1 billion years from now, humans, or whatever we become, will stand on distant worlds and watch the Milky Way collide with Andromeda, not with fear, but with awe. Maybe we'll build space telescopes the size of planets. Maybe we'll turn the collision into art, into music, into stories passed down for generations. Or maybe, just maybe, someone in Andromeda is watching this video wondering the same thing. If this journey through space and time sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've only just begun to explore what lies beyond the stars. And tell us in the comments, Do you think humanity will still be around when the galaxies collide? Until next time, remember, space isn't silent. It's singing a story that's billions of years in the making, and you're a part of it. Keep looking up.